Hey, finally, the best-selling car is fully multi-changed. Today's Dandy family car, the National Just-Size Sliding Door, new Toyota Sienta. Good evening, guys. Now a dog of society. I'm KAMPAC Daddy. Compared to previous generation, it now has a cute looks. The first Sienta was born in 2003, and in 2015, its unique and sporty exterior was a massive hit. The second generation is still selling like hotcakes. If you take a walk around your neighborhood, you'll find at least one of these in every block. The Sienta features an epoch-making 7-seater, with the third seat completely hidden under the second seat. In the commercial for the previous generation, James Rodriguez was played for a good cause. Crazy. This mechanism is still present in this new model. The category is compact minivan. Body size is 42 and 60 in length, 16 and 95 in width, and 1695 in height, both. Just the right size. Lovely. This time I borrowed D-grade hybrid front-wheel drive model. It looks cool and cute European style, maybe inspired by Renault Kangoo or Citroën Berlingo. The eyes and mouth are impressive. My personal favorite design point is the sideline. Freehand-like curves can be seen everywhere. It may look square, but when viewed from the side, it's a sleek oval-shaped design to accommodate 6 people. An egg of genius. The 15-inch wheel looks like this. It looks cool. By the way, these are an option. Normally, wheel covers like this. The suspension is strut on the front wheel and torsion beam at the rear. I will talk about the right gear in the test drive chapter. Oh, and once again, the Toyota Nets Otakanomori branch cooperated in shooting this video. Thank you very much for the cooperation. Okay, now let's focus on the front. The face has somewhat boxy looks with a lot of rounded rectangle. Compared to the previous Sienta, it's milder. This long rectangle with crossed resin design, something I've seen somewhere before. Bi-beam LED headlamps are black style with eye line that has been popular with Toyota in recent years. The basic principle is the same as ladies' makeup who wants to make their back eye looks bigger with eyeshadows. Looking at the engine compartment, the power unit is 1.5-liter inline 3-cylinder engine plus electric motor. Maximum engine output is 91 horsepower. Front electric motor has 80 horsepower. Now the rear. Compared to the previous Sienta, the tail lamps has been moved to the top of the side, so creating larger and solid appearance. There are no lamp unit on the tailgate, which reduces wiring costs as well. Very realistic design. Here is the lighting pattern for you. Okay, now the luggage. The luggage gate little heavy at first. It's gonna hurt for the moms. When the third seat folded down, it looks like this. It's so spacious. You can bring everything home with you, like a child's first bicycle, something like that. The diving type third seat is more like an emergency seat. It cannot be deployed with a one-touch operation, and it cannot walk through, so it's not convenient for daily use, I think. Sometimes when visit their grandparents, or taking friends to the train station, or carpooling with relatives at a funeral, it seems to be able to handle events which occur in family life smoothly. The third seat is surprisingly comfortable, but the elbow and knees feel stiff. It's still hard for a long time. Now the dandy check. Let's check it from the daddy's viewpoint. I put in a basic type A stroller in it. Ooh, great! It can go all horizontal and vertical. I guess a large stroller which doesn't fold up can fit in there too. When you put the second seat up, it creates space for dressing. But it's not secured, so be a little careful with your child's fingers. Dad, what is this? It's possible to get grease on his fingers. Okay, next the rear seat. Of course, sliding doors. It's so spacious. If you get used to this kind of interior in your childhood, I think they cannot drive a K-ton when they grows up, right? Huh? You don't have to. Hey, don't be so sad. The seat has a fabric feel, which is very popular these days. The seating comfort is excellent, but the touch of feeling is so-so. The sliding door don't have elbow rest and do not have a side support, so if you drive on a mountain road, the second row seats may not be so comfortable. Very spacious, but not much room for your feet due to the center battery layout. Great space for children, but not relaxing for adult male physique. There is circulator in the roof center. Good idea, but a little too obvious. If it were smaller, it will be ideal. Hey, here's another dandy check. Child locks, check. Isofix bracket, checks. Independent switch for the room lamp, check. Assist grip for the hanging toys, check. Oh, and there is sunshade. The baby bottle does not fall down, but it's a little low. There is a grip dent on the B-pillar to make it easier for children to get in. Let me say this from a daddy's perspective. It's brilliant. The car seat is no longer inconvenient due to the sliding doors. The roof is also high, so it will not come down your legs and back. This is a panoramic view from the rear seat. Designed with lots of angular rectangle, the motif concept is well defined, so it has modern taste that you will never get tired of. To be honest, it doesn't have luxurious feel, but it's functional and looks like a tidy home living room in its own way. Compared to the previous generation, it's totally different. Now, this new Sienta, is it really the third generation? Actually, it doesn't look like it. This cute little dog that appears in new Sienta commercial. It's an unfamiliar breed, but it's said to be a cross between a Pomeranian and a toy poodle. Why did Toyota choose to use a mixed breed dog? This is a hint. By the way, do you know that until recently, Toyota has another compact sliding door and family-friendly car? Yes, his name is Pote. This was very unusual car, with a sliding door only the left side, but it was very usable as a family car for children care and nursery care. However, the second generation of Pote was discontinued in 2020. At that time, the sharp design of second generation Sienta, which didn't look like a compact minivan, continued to be a big hit. The Pote was popular for the rounded body and its hospitality. Simply put, there are two types of car at that time, cool car and cute car. This new Sienta has design that's both cool and cute. Okay, back to the dog. The Pomeranian is a breed of dog that was once a small improvement of the German Spitz, a breed with a long, slender face in Germany. The toy poodle is a cute but very intelligent breed that tends to the respect owner. Their features are somewhat similar, right? What I'm trying to say is, this new Sienta is a hybrid of the Pote and Sienta, so to speak. It's about unifying the two and eliminating the character cover of the Toyota lineups. The symbol of this is the Sienta dog. I don't know. But don't you think that Toyota would set up an image character for no reason? They are marketing devils, right? This story may sound like a fabrication, but this front grille is inherited from the Pote. Believe it or not. It's up to you. Next, check out the front seat. The door lining is hard plastic except for the elbow rest, but the surface texture is five kinds of texture and doesn't look too shabby. Great. This model has a black interior, so there is little color contrast. Personally, I like Fromage model because it's brighter. You don't need the pattern on this bottle. I thought so, but I guess they tried not to make the design boring. Okay, now let's get in. The first thing that catch my eye is the speedometer display. Something about the meter needle is cool. According to what I hear, it's almost the same taste as the Lexus NX. Ooh-hoo! Even if it's not a supercar, this kind of presentation makes me feel good. The steering wheel is common to Private C and other models. The left side for the information system and the right side for driving support system. Seat adjustment is manual and pedal is suspended type, tilt and telescoping is possible. The driver's seat does not feel completely held in place. There is nothing to complain about driving position and steering wheel axis. However, the side brake is foot type. This is a minus point for these who have become accustomed to the electric parking. This is a rear view from the driver's seat. Not bad, but the C-pillar needs a little more work. In the front, the side mirrors are low and the A-pillar is slim. Very good. On the console is very large navigation display, a common AC unit. The dial doesn't have clicky feel, which is weird. But it's nice to have a Nano E. Underneath the hazard, shift lever, drive mode, various buttons. There is also advanced parking button that my wife is adoring over. This button is the future. USB port and cup tray. Oh, there is a heater, which may be an option, but it's very well equipped. Oh, and 100 voltage AC supply. Nothing to complain about. The only thing I can complain about is the lack of elbow rest on the passenger seat. The overhead has regular reverse mirror, map light, and SOS call button. So how was it? The new Toyota Sienta exterior-interior chapter. Well, as expected of Toyota, the marketing team, they have created a highly satisfactory Sienta. Including the design, there is no sharp personality, but it's sure to be accepted by everyone. Okay, next time I will take a test drive. How was the ride feel of this Sienta? Please subscribe and wait a few days. Even if you become a dad, please buy that you think will be a cool car. Now to daddy and mommies around the world, good job today. See you in the next video. Bye. Merry Christmas.